Hi, my name is Prananatha. I'm a student who got enrolled in class 5th and I've studied at Haikyuu tutorial till grade 12. I really like coming here. The teachers were very helpful. They explained us every topic clearly and the teachers here were awesome. They used to clear my doubts every time and they even took extra time so that if I don't understand anything, they used to sit with us. They used to clear every doubts and every day here we used to give regular tests and revisions so that we are prepared well for our board examinations. They have given us many practice papers, they have given us many sample papers to solve, and they gave us many tips so that we feel confident to write in a board examination, be prepared for our board examination. And I'm happy I've got much more marks than my expectations, and my improvement from grade 5th to grade 12 was awesome, and even my parents are proud. So even they are proud, which makes me happy. And this is only because from the Highland tutorials teachers they used to support us. If we didn't score in a practice paper, also they used to tell it's okay, it's all right, it's no worries. We'll write another test, which made us more confident. I really thank you so much for all the teachers for guiding and always supporting me. Thank you.